The apple tree and the two friends. On the edge of a small village, there stood a big old apple tree. Children loved to play under its shade. One afternoon, two best friends, Ria and Arjun, were playing hide and seek near the tree. While hiding, Arjun spotted something shiny on the ground. "Look, Ria, a big red apple," he shouted. Both of them ran quickly and reached the apple at the same time. "It's mine. I touched it first," said Ria, holding on tight. "No way. I saw it first," argued Arjun, pulling it towards himself. They began tugging and frowning, forgetting they were friends. Just then, the apple tree rustled its branches and spoke in a gentle voice. "My dear children, why fight over one apple? Don't you know fruit tastes sweeter when they are shared?" Ria and Arjun looked at each other. Their angry faces slowly turned into smiles. "You're right," said Ria softly. "Let's share it," added Arjun. So they carefully cut the apple into two halves. Each took a bite together. This is delicious," giggled Ria. "It really is, and it feels so good to share," said Arjun happily. And then the old apple tree swayed joyfully in the wind, its leaves sparkling in the sunlight. From that day on, Ria and Arjun promised to always share, whether it was toys, food, or even loved her.